Hi, my name is Carlene and this is my channel, See It with C. Come walk with me as we take a trip through Royal Caribbean Star of the Seas, Surfside Neighborhood. Come along. Surfside is Star of the Seas family hub with pools, quick eats, and killer wake views. In 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly where to go. Let's walk. Surfside sits aft and low. Everything is in one loop. Splashaway Bay here, the taller splash pad beside it, the water's edge infinity pool on the rail, and food on both sides. Plus, drinks for the parents and lemon post, as well as soft serve sprinkles ice cream. Need to fuel up for the day? Surfside Bites has grab and go, including tenders, fries, snacks, and inside of Surfside Eatery, which is complimentary, you'll find a quick and fast breakfast, which includes fruit, yogurt, hot items, and coffee without having to trek across the ship to the Windjammer. This is Splashaway Bay. Sprayers, mini slides, and life jackets to keep your little ones safe. Next door is a gentler toddler splash pad for diaper-age cruisers. Stroller parking is close by. Water's Edge is the chill, shallow ledge seating with constant wake views and is usually calmer than the main pools up at the Lido deck. The best times to be there, I think, are sunrise and sunset, particularly to catch the golden hour. The Lemon Post, with my favorite pink and green vibes, is Surfside's signature bar with dual menus. On one side, you'll find playful cocktails for the kids, and the other side, solid and strong cocktails for adults. This is a perfect meetup spot before the sun dips. Need a sit-down break? Pier 7 does all-day brunch vibes, which is great for a mellow meal or a little celebration. Check the specialty dining in your app to see what the prices and hours are. And that is Royal Caribbean Star of the Seas Surfside Neighborhood in 3 minutes. Splashy for kids, surprisingly chill for adults. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And in the comments, drop your favorite Surfside tip or place to stay. I hope you enjoyed that tour of Royal Caribbean Star of the Seas Surfside Neighborhood. For more videos like this, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.